Guys, it's your girl Miss Clara once again. If today's your first time here, you're warmly welcome. If not, thanks for always coming back. So in this video, I'm going to be doing a tutorial using only affordable drugstore makeup. Please, if you haven't hit that subscribe button, please do well to hit it down below and turn on your notification bell so that when I post a video, you will be alerted. Please stay tuned and enjoy this video.
I want you so bad.
So today we are going to be going drugstore makeup, and I'm going to be using my Maybelline Superstay foundation, Rimmel Stay Matte primer, and LA Girl Pro concealer. And for my pencil, I'm going to be using my Marbrook brown pencil. I'm going to go straight into doing my eyebrows with my Marbrook eyebrow pencil. Guys, for a detailed eyebrow tutorial, kindly click on the link on your screen. Guys, I'm going to leave the link as well in the description box down below. After cleaning your brows, please do well to blend the concealer. I'm going to be using my concealer as the base for my eyeshadow. But I'm going to be using my bronzer for my eyes. I'm going to be using it as my transition shade. So now I'm going to apply my liquid bronzer onto my eyelid and blend it. Going for a very subtle look today. Wow, this is beautiful. At this stage, I'm going to add this loose pigment. Next thing I'm going to do is to come in with my brush and blend around it. I'm going to go straight and prime my face. I already prepped my face. I moisturized it. I'm going to come in with my foundation now, and my foundation is in the shade Mocha 360. So I'm going to be using 2 pumps. I'm going to add some bronzer and blend it together. Guys, I really like this glow effect this liquid highlighter has added to the foundation. Moving on, I am highlighting with my LA Girl Pro concealer in the shade Fawn, and I'm highlighting the bridge of my nose, under my eyes, my chin, and my forehead. Now it is time to blend, but please make sure your concealer stays in one place. Do not spread it all over your face. Next thing I'm going to do is to set my concealer in place using my Bennye setting powder. I'm setting this side of my brow because I don't want the concealer to crease. So again, I'm going to be bronzing with my CoverGirl bronzer. This CoverGirl bronzer is in the shade Ebony. Very good for dark skin girls. You can give it a try if you are my shade. This is so gentle and soft on my skin. Now I am going to bronze the outer part of my forehead, which is closer to my hairline, and on the sides of my nose. I'm gonna reverse contour with my Bennye banana powder. Like this. Do same for the other side. Now it's time to face powder. So I'm going to be using my Laura Mercier translucent powder in the shade Deep as my overall powder. And I'm dusting off the excess setting powder. I'm going to come in again with my bronzer because it looks like I wiped it off with the powder. So the next thing I'm going to do is to apply some blush, and I'm using my e.l.f. blush. I'm gonna go in with the dark shade right there. So guys, the next thing I'm going to do is to highlight with my MAC highlighter. Whilst we are at this, guys, I wanted to know what kind of videos you guys will want to see from me. Please leave it down below in the comment section, and I'm gonna try my possible best to film those videos for you. But I promise you to expect more fashion tips from me, guys. Much love. just a little, because today we're going for that subtle look. Okay. I'm going to blend it together. I'm going to go ahead and line my eyes with my NYX eyeliner. Now that my eyeliner is done, I'm going to come in with this. It's a Kajal Maybelline. And I'm going to pass it over it to give it that deep. Now I'm applying my MAC highlighter in the inner corner of my eye. With this brush, I'm going to come in again with my bronzer and smash this under my eye. Can't really see it, so I'm going to add some blush. The same dark shade I used to blush is what I'm applying. Okay, so I think I can see this at a little setting, so that's good. So the next thing we are going to do is to put on our lashes. I'm going to do that and I'll be right back. Guys, I'm done with my eyelashes. I'm going to go straight and do my lip. I'm going to be using Jordana in the shade Carbonate for my lips. It's so pigmented. If you haven't tried this pencil, you need to get one. I'm going to be blending nude brown, nude pink together for the inner part of my lip. So today I'm gonna leave my lips like this. I'm not gonna gloss it. I overlined it so my lips are really looking bold today. So I'm gonna leave it like this. So basically this is the look. I'm gonna get dressed and style my hair. So guys, this is the final thing. Let me know in the comment section what you think about the makeup product I used. For me, I kind of like it because I cannot even tell the difference between this and the high-end products. If you want to save some money, just go affordable. Go drugstore, guys. You have nothing to lose. I like this. It's really, really cute. So guys, I'm gonna go straight into shout out session, and my 3 commenters for my previous post are
Estolina Sante, Mami Asantua, and Jennifer Sambaderi. Thank you all, guys. Thank you.
So guys, we have come to the end of this. Until my next video, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye.